Get ready to soar above one of the world's most iconic cities. London, a metropolis where history meets modernity, is a visual feast for the senses. From the towering skyscrapers to the historic landmarks, this aerial journey will take you on an unforgettable adventure. Iconic landmarks. London's skyline is a masterpiece. The majestic Tower Bridge, a symbol of the city's rich history, stands as a guardian of the Thames. Its intricate details are a testament to centuries of craftsmanship. Let's circle around to the London Eye, a giant Ferris wheel offering panoramic views of the city. Can you spot Buckingham Palace, the Queen's official residence, with its sprawling gardens? And there, dominating the skyline, is the iconic Big Ben, a symbol of British timekeeping. The Thames and cityscape follow the winding path of the River Thames, the lifeblood of London. This waterway has been a crucial artery for centuries, and it continues to be a stunning focal point. The City of London, the financial heart of the UK, boasts a breathtaking skyline of modern architecture. Let's zoom in on the Shard, a towering glass pyramid that dominates the cityscape. And don't forget St. Paul's Cathedral, a masterpiece of Baroque architecture. Parks and green spaces. London is more than just concrete and steel. It's a city of parks and green spaces. Hyde Park, a sprawling oasis in the heart of the city, is perfect for a leisurely stroll. Kensington Gardens, its elegant neighbor, offers a serene escape. Let's fly over Regent's Park, known for its beautiful floral displays, and the London Zoo. And for a touch of royal splendor, we can't miss St. James's Park, home to pelicans and a tranquil setting. Vibrant neighborhoods. London is a city of diverse neighborhoods, each with its own unique character. Let's start in Soho, a vibrant hub of entertainment, fashion, and nightlife. Camden Town, with its eclectic mix of shops, markets, and street performers, is a must-visit. The colorful houses of Notting Hill are a photographer's dream. And for a taste of urban cool, let's explore Shoreditch, with its trendy boutiques, art galleries, and street art. Aerial perspectives. There's no better way to appreciate the scale and beauty of London than from above. Let's take a moment to soak in the panoramic views. The city's iconic landmarks are even more impressive from this height. As the sun begins to set, the sky is painted with hues of orange and pink, casting a magical glow over the city. London at night is truly breathtaking, with its twinkling lights creating a dazzling spectacle. Outro. From the historic to the modern, London has it all. This aerial journey has only scratched the surface of this incredible city. There's always something new to discover. So grab your camera, explore the streets, and immerse yourself in the vibrant energy of London. Cultural immersions. London is a kaleidoscope of cultures, a melting pot where traditions blend seamlessly with modernity. The British Museum, a treasure trove of human history, invites you to embark on a journey through time. From ancient Egyptian artifacts to Greek sculptures, the museum is a portal to the past. For a taste of contemporary art, the Tate Modern is a must-visit. Its iconic Turbine Hall is a canvas for groundbreaking installations, while its collection showcases the best of modern and contemporary art. Green Oasis. Amidst the urban tapestry, London boasts a network of enchanting parks. Hyde Park, a sprawling green lung, offers respite from the city's hustle and bustle. Kensington Gardens, its elegant neighbor, is a haven of tranquility. And Regent's Park, with its stunning floral displays, is a feast for the senses. Vibrant neighborhoods. London's neighborhoods are as diverse as its people. Soho, a pulsating heart of entertainment, invites you to explore its hidden gems. Camden Town, a bohemian haven, offers a vibrant mix of markets, music, and street art. Notting Hill, with its colorful houses and charming atmosphere, is a photographer's dream. Culinary delights. No visit to London is complete without indulging in its culinary scene. From Michelin-starred restaurants to bustling food markets, the city offers a world of flavors. Discover the art of afternoon tea, a quintessential British experience, or savor the diverse cuisines from around the globe. London, a city of infinite possibilities, awaits your exploration. Whether you're drawn to history, art, culture, or simply the thrill of discovery, this metropolis has something to offer everyone. Let the magic of London unfold before you, one unforgettable experience at a time. Subscribe to our channel for stunning aerial footage of incredible destinations. Hit that like button if you love this video, and don't forget to share with your travel buddies. Let's keep the adventure going together.